We get a lot of questions on the installation of the custom shower bases, whether it be Corian or DiamondCore. So I thought I'd take the opportunity now to show you how easy it is to install one of our bases. When you receive your base, it does come with a drain, and this is a two-part drain. It is the bottom part. You'll separate this two-part drain, and the bottom part here is attached to the 2-inch ABS pipe, and you'll attach that with your ABS glue there. You'll want this part of the drain to be level with the floor or just on the underside of the base here, like that. And so once that drain is installed, then you'll take your base and you'll do what's called a dry fit. Now the dry fit really is to determine that your drain and your base are lined up properly. So you'll lay your base down, you'll take a look and say, okay, is my drain lined up over top of the hole in the drain? And if that's the case, then you're good to take it to the next step. And so once you do that, lift your base up, and now you're going to use a modified thin set. So you're going to treat this as if it's a tile. And so you'll lift up your base, and now you're going to spread a modified thin set. Modified thin set means that there's actually glue in the thin set, making it stronger, making a better bond. And you'll use a trowel to spread that thin set. We're suggesting 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch trowel. Lay that material out, then you can now put your base down permanently. So when you put it down, you'll now want to make sure it's level. Squeeze all that thin set down and make sure your base is nice and level. And the next step is going to be attaching the top part of the drain to the bottom part of the drain. So you now have that here lined up. The thin set is now leveled out. This drain comes with 2 gaskets. This is a slip gasket, and then your gasket that'll attach to the bottom part of the drain. The reason why they have a slip gasket is you tighten it. You don't want to pinch this and cause a problem. So you'll slip that underneath like this, take the top portion of your drain and screw that down. Now the next step here is some people put a silicone bead or a plumber's putty, which is a great idea, but believe it or not, most of the actual sealing is done from the bottom part of the drain being squeezed upwards. So you will tighten that up, use a open crescent wrench or an open pair of pliers and tighten that down. And you basically have your shower base installed. The now screen puts on top here, and that portion of the drain installation is completed. Finally, but not least of all, is we do have your integrated tile flange here, and you can screw this tile flange to your 2x4s. Not necessary, but it certainly is an option if you like to do that. So that is how to install a custom shower base.